about this, y'all. Simple. So I did a video the other day talking about Ubereats delivery option with Walmart, and they pay the most money, but I was 0 for 7, meaning I tried to deliver 7 of them, and every single one was never available at Walmart. They was like, look, we're 2 hours busy, behind, order not here, somebody else always picked up. Always been crazy stuff. And since where I live at now, I'm right next to Walmart, I always get Walmart orders, and today the first one was like $27, 2 orders, going like 10 miles. Then I got another one, $22, going 2 orders, going like 7 miles. And I'm like, look, let me try it again today. And I tried it, and when I went to the store, it was guys and women coming out, like workers coming out nonstop. So I grabbed one. I'm like, yo, all right, how does this work? What do you guys want? Because on the app, they tell you to tap, tell them you here, tell them a parking spot. I was like, do that work? Do you guys see when I do that? He was like, sometimes yes, sometimes no. So I was like, so do you guys prefer us to call that number that we see? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. So nobody really knows. So what I came to the conclusion is, if people was coming outside like I seen, I just went up to them like, yo, do y'all have this order? And if nobody's outside, you call them and ask them. So we're about to try to deliver these. And people said in the comments, most of these are always apartments. The first one I'm delivering to is apartment, and you see it's a bunch of cans. But my thing is, and it's cold outside, but for how much money it's paying, less gas, get a workout in, it don't bother me too much. What y'all think? So at first I was a little upset because once we got to the apartment, I had no idea where to go because it only took me here. But as I was trying to figure it out, I see a lady outside, and it was her. So she like, at least I can do is come out and help, because I figured you would get lost. I'm like, let's go. And she lived on the top floor. I'm like, what, you want me to help you get this up there? She said, please. It wasn't too bad. So now the next place is another apartment. So I guess these are just apartments for sure. They're gonna make you get your money worth. 6 minutes away. Let's do it. All right, so I finished it. Literally only took me 30 minutes to make $23. That is great timing. Good deal for sure. So the second one was apartment. They was also waiting on me. So I guess the people that do these orders are consistent. They are used to it at this point. So it's good. I like it. So my goal is to go back over in that area to see if I get more of them, because they're ready today. I can make a quick $100. Let's see. All right, we got 2 more orders. So I'll put one in the back, one back here. The goal is to always tie them up, because they don't give them to you tied up. So I got 2 more orders. It took a while to get 2 more, probably like 25 minutes. A bunch kept on coming in, but it was like $4 going 1 mile, $5 going 20 miles. It was weird stuff. Then I finally got $12 going 6 miles, 2 orders. So it's really $6 each one. But I'm like, let's see if I can trick the algorithm, since I'm picking some up, so they can keep on giving me some and hopefully give me some better ones. So what you want to do is always tie up them bags. It make life so much easier to do it that way. So this would be over $30 of doing them. So let's keep on going. All right, this one is at a Super 8 hotel, only on the 2nd floor, so not that bad. And I only got 1, 2, 3. Simple. No need to use the elevator when you got good old legs. Simple and easy. The next one, about 5 miles away, because this one was next door. This one, you gotta drop off only at a house. So that's gonna be good. Only dropping off at a house. Let's get it. So y'all, this is day 2. Let me show y'all. This ain't no parking, but shit, I gotta figure this out. It is $13 going 3 miles. And every order, like the order I got before, was $13 going 4 miles. And it was literally 3 small bags I carry in my hand. I gotta carry all that is SHIT to the 2nd floor. And water. Water is the wrong answer. This is terrible. Terrible. Oh my Lord. Jesus take the wheel. Thank Lord they had this. And let's get stuff inside. So my overall experience, I ended up getting a tip from that lady. She ended up tipping me $15. So that order paid like $25. Shout out to her. Overall, it depends on what Walmart you go to, and you have to go through the weekday. I noticed going to the Walmart I go to, it's easy. You have good workers that come in, come out, get the order done. Go through the week, I had no problems, but every other Walmart I've been to has been bad. Overall, you can come up. If the orders keep going, you got to figure out the hours. If you keep on getting them, it's worth it, in my opinion, because it's a lot more simplistic. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, like button, all that good stuff. Talk to y'all soon.